Happy New Year, everyone. Nigel from Growth Evolution Coaching here. We come around to that time of year again where it's goal setting, start of the new year, resolutions, all those lovely terms that we hear, of which, yes, it's great to do it at the start of the year, but it can be done any time whenever you feel that a change needs to happen in your life, or you want a change to happen, or your purpose has changed. And it is about purpose and passion. What do you want for the year that's going to ignite you, going to make you want to actually follow through? Because at the end of the day, you're setting the goals. And it's not just SMART goals. Everyone talks about SMART goals in business, and that's just a list. It's a bullet point. When you write a goal, you've got to write the goal as if you've got the goal. If you've already achieved it, it's in your life. And what does that feel like? How does that make you feel? What does it give you? You've got to put the passion and the emotion into the goal for you to believe it, or your subconscious to actually think, I know exactly where I'm aiming, what I want, where I'm going, and how it's going to feel when I get there. And then what happens is it opens your mind to opportunities. It actually goes out as a beacon to seek how you need to achieve that. Opportunities, people, they'll come to you in a way that ignites your goal, is in line with your goal. So it becomes a two-way transaction. You've set the parameters, your subconscious will now go and follow those parameters and GPS you towards that goal. It's like a manifestation. Think it, believe it, feel it, follow it, and you will achieve what you wish to achieve for the year. But set them realistically, that you can achieve them in your time and they suit you, not your family, not your partners, not your friends, not your colleagues. What do you want? And when you start serving self, you can actually then start to serve others. But you have to do self first. So go out there, find your passion, write it down, make it happen.